Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the latest and greatest tech so you can make smart buying decisions. Today we're reviewing what we confidently call the best video doorbell wireless with camera on the market right now, the MUBVIEW Doorbell Camera Wireless with Chime. Whether you're upgrading your home security or just starting out, this device has all the right features without needing a monthly subscription. This MUBVIEW doorbell comes packed with a variety of smart, privacy-focused, and highly practical features. It's completely wireless, connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and runs on a rechargeable battery, meaning no hardwiring is necessary. That's a game changer for renters or anyone who doesn't want to drill holes into walls. Right out of the box, you get the doorbell unit, a chime that plugs indoors, and all mounting hardware required to get started in minutes. One of the most unique and thoughtful features is the built-in voice changer. You can alter your voice during two-way communication, which is especially helpful for the elderly, children, or anyone living alone who prefers an extra layer of anonymity. You can speak to delivery drivers or unexpected visitors directly from your phone, anywhere in the world, without revealing your identity or actual voice. This real-time intercom feature is responsive, intuitive, and adds significant peace of mind. The video quality is top-notch, delivering a crisp 1080p HD stream that holds up well in both daylight and nighttime scenarios. Thanks to integrated night vision, faces and details remain clear after dark, so you never miss anything important, whether it's someone at your door late at night or just checking in on motion-triggered events. Now let's talk about motion detection. The MUBVIEW Doorbell is equipped with a smart PIR human detection sensor. This means it can distinguish between people and other types of movement, like wind-blown trees or passing cars. You can also customize motion zones and sensitivity settings, which cuts down on false alerts and ensures you only get notified when it actually matters. Whether you live on a busy street or a quiet neighborhood, you're in control of what gets picked up. The chime included in the box is simple but effective, with multiple tones to choose from and adjustable volume. It connects wirelessly to the doorbell and works even during internet downtime, which is a huge plus. Setup is straightforward. Just download the app, pair the device, and you're live. Everything works seamlessly over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, though it's worth noting this doorbell does not support 5 GHz networks. Perhaps one of the most refreshing aspects of this doorbell is that there's no subscription required. You get access to essential features like live view, two-way talk, and motion alerts without paying extra each month. Your video data is protected through strong encryption protocols, giving you peace of mind that your footage stays private and secure. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and feature-rich wireless doorbell camera, the MUBVIEW Doorbell camera checks all the boxes. It's secure, smart, and easy to install, making it ideal for any home. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more hands-on reviews here at Product Critique. See you in the next one.